Let our powers combine.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Season's greetings. Happy Easter, happy spring, happy Pesach, happy Haji Peruzze, happy New Year, whatever it is you celebrate. Season's greetings to y'all. We're going to take a break away from the combat arts and delve deep into nature, y'all. So we're going to show y'all some of the other things that we get into, some of the hobbies, and some of the things we do for survival, which is putting your hands in the dirt. That's right. They say farming is the Lord's work. Yeah, now that right there, y'all, that's a potato plant. When the potatoes sprout, they sprout like that's how the leaves look. And as you know, you gotta dig potatoes out the ground. They usually grow in clumps. But y'all, I didn't get seeds. I didn't go to a farmer's market. These here are potatoes I got from the grocery store. Your local grocery store, when you finish with them, or you know when you let them sit for a long time and they start sprouting, I like to cut them in half, throw them right in the ground. Now this right here is an onion, y'all. Wild onions often look like this too, but that's an onion. That's a red onion that I got from the food line, Bilo. And you know the little butt piece with a little top part of hair looks like a Mr. T hairstyle? Instead of throwing that away, you can throw it right in the ground and it'll sprout. Now this right here, now this was a lettuce, y'all. This was a lettuce head we was about to throw away. You know, it started to go bad, so me knowing what I know, I threw it in the ground, but it looks like a leek, don't it? It looked like a leek or a chive. But yeah, y'all, other wild growing plants and herbs. People call them weeds, but that was a dandelion. A lot of these things you can use. You could boil, you can use for tinctures, you can use for medicine. Hell, you can even use for food, like poke salad and stuff. You do it like greens, clean it off and season it and eat it. Now this right here is one of my favorites, y'all. That's a nice size dandelion. Those right there are the lion's teeth. You can make good teas and concoctions out of that. Now this right here, which a lot of folk don't have growing wild in their yard, is thistle. And you know them because they're real sharp. They got those jagged teeth, kind of sharp teeth, arrowhead type leaves. But it's real good for cleansing, making concoctions, things of that nature. Now let's go into the backyard, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a few things we doing back here. All right, y'all, this right here is my herbal garden, my little herbal box. Last year I had mint in there, chives, and I had the herb citronella, which is good for keeping mosquitoes away. Right there, I'm putting in a mullein on herb. They call it nature's toilet tissue because the leaves feel just like toilet tissue, the foliage. And I'm just creating a spot for it, getting the roots out from around it, put some compost water around it. It's black out. All right, y'all, this last little snippet is going to be where my greens at, them good collard greens. I got a box over on the side full of collard greens, and yeah, I think that's it, just collard greens in there. And then I got some herbal boxes on the side, on the border of the collard greens, where you should put rosemary, thyme. And this right here is just going to be a little snippet, excuse me, a little snippet of me just watering, probably tilling it up. Yeah, watering it. Yeah, they go to boxes here, tilling them up, getting the soil right. Maybe some good, healthy little herbs for the summer. All in all, hope y'all enjoyed that quick little snippet, quick little peek into some of the few other things that we like to do over here. This is a lot of stuff I'm going to put on Patreon, y'all. It ain't up yet, but please support it when I do put it up. And if you want to support now, you know, hit the Cashapp up. It's in the link. But yeah, y'all, just had to take a step away from boxing, from MMA, from UFC, from Strike Force, from whatever, Bellator, from bare knuckle. Just taking a step away from the combat arts. It just show you how we getting down in this crazy economy. But like always, y'all, stay diligent in all you do. Stay vigilant, you know, and keep grinding, baby. Love, peace, and prosperity.
Your powers combined. I am Captain Planet.